Welcome back to Toy Time! We're gonna start a new series. We're gonna be unboxing and creating lots of stories with the LOL dolls and also Pikmi Pop surprises. As you guys can see, we have lots of different toys here today and we're gonna be unboxing them here on our channel. So hurry up, subscribe to our channel so you guys can stay up to date and watch all of these unboxings going on. Fun, right guys? And today we're gonna be unboxing an LOL big surprise. But also on other videos, we're gonna start unboxing the Pikmi Pops. 1, 2, and 3 of them. And I can bring many more to the channel. Also, we're gonna unbox the LOL surprise, the glitter series. I wonder what's gonna be in here. Which one of the dolls? Which one of the accessories? Which one of the stickers? We don't know. We're gonna find out. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and also leave us a comment. Let us know which one of these toys that I'm showing you now is your favorite. And Fingerlings baby monkey. Who likes Fingerling baby monkeys? Here they are. Aren't they cute? If you guys already watched our other videos with the Fingerling baby monkeys, just let us know in the comment. I'm also gonna link it to this video so you guys can watch it. And here is another toy that I will be unboxing for you guys on our future videos. Do you guys want to see this little monkey here? Her name is Amy and she's an exclusive one from this play set. So we're going to be unboxing her too. And last but not least, here we go. We're going to be doing a Frozen surprise. Awesome! So let's go ahead and start moving the toys to the side and start unboxing our LOL big surprise. Okay guys, so first I'm gonna show you guys the front of the LOL big surprise. Look how cool. It says limited edition. I wonder which dolls we're gonna have. And here it says LOL surprise, big surprise. And on the side it says never before seen. And this is the back of the box. Very cool, right? So here are the instructions. We're gonna open from this side right here. You see? Okay, so let's go ahead and open our toy. Are you guys ready? So I need your help. Come on, everybody. First, I need my ladybug scissors. So I'm gonna cut here on the side. All right, very nice. And ta-da! There it is, LOL surprise. Now there are 2 stickers here, one on each side, one right here and one right there. So let's get the stickers out. And now I'm gonna flip this container here and we're gonna open it. Here we go. Okay, now we're good to go. Wow, very nice. Look, it says scratch here. So now this is the base of the container. I'm gonna put the base right here, just like it said on the instructions. Actually, I'm gonna flip it a little so you guys can see, because first we're gonna unbox all of these guys in here. Let me show you guys the instruction one more time. Here it is. You see? So we're gonna use the container as the water. It's gonna be our tub for us to use the fizz ball. So very cool, right guys? So here it is, but first we're gonna open all of these guys. So let's go ahead, unbox all of this and see what we have for our LOL surprise. And as you guys can see, we are just getting started. So here we go. First, we're gonna unbox this one. Let's see what's in here. Are you guys ready? Oh, look how cute. It's a little vest. Oh, adorable. I'm gonna put it right there and let's get one more surprise. So this one, it's going to be a, let's see. Oh, another little vest. Look how cute. Adorable. So this one has a little shirt, a pink shirt underneath and a blue vest. Now one more surprise. Let's see. Oh, very cute. Look how adorable. We got little shorts. You see? And it has little details. So now let's go ahead and unbox this one. Let's see what's inside this surprise. Are you guys ready? Let's see, I have to focus the camera on the surprise. Wow, it's a little glitter shirt. How cute. Look, guys, I'm gonna show you. This is the shirt, the front. Let's see. You can see the glitter, and it has a little purple detail in the front, and it's pink glitter. And here is the back. I'm gonna move like that. I'm gonna move the bag like that so we can see all the surprises. Wait, this one is so far away from me. All right, we got it. Here it is. Very cute, right? So let's open the surprise. Wow, we got another outfit with glitter. Look how cute, guys. It's a little skirt. You see? Very, very cute. And I'm gonna get another surprise. Wow, I love the outfits we're getting. What do you guys think? Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think of the outfits that we're getting, and also let us know if you already have them. That would be so cool. So here it is, another one. What is it? Oh, it looks like a bathing suit bottom. Look how cute. It has little ruffles, and it's golden. Adorable. Very cute. Everything is so adorable. Okay, so one more right here. This one. Let's go ahead and get this one here. Got it. So here it is. Right? So one more for our collection. Ooh, look at this. Little shoes. Very cute little boots. How adorable. Okay, guys, so here is another one. Let's see. Gonna open it. Oh, very cute little rollerblades. Look at that. Little roller skates. I love it. I love it. Very cute. Let me see if I can show the side. It can fit on my finger, on the tip of my finger. Look how adorable. Very cute. Okay, so we have two more surprises left. So I'm gonna get this one right here. Let's see. Okay, and let's see what's in here. Surprise, surprise. Oh, look how adorable. A necklace. Oh, our LOL dolls will be so adorable and fancy with all the outfits we're getting today. So little necklace. And last but not least, let's see what else we got. Here it is. It will be, I don't know, what do you guys think it's gonna be? Leave us a comment, let us know what you guess it will be. Is it gonna be a shirt? Is it gonna be shorts, shoes? We'll find out right now as soon as I open this ball right here. Yay! Oh my goodness, I don't believe it. I really wanted the shoes. I don't believe it. I'm so happy. Look, we got the glitter booties. I don't have this one. How adorable. Here is the other one. And I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to put on the top, on the tip of my finger, on my hand. Let me see. So here it is. You see it? Now let me put it on the tip of my finger because I feel like it looks so much cuter. Look how adorable they are. Can't wait to dress up the LOL dolls that I'll get. So now let's move this guys here out of the way because we have more surprises to unbox and to open. So let's get these guys out of here and look what else we got. Very cute. It says ready to dive in. So now let's get ready to do the fizz ball. 15 surprises are gonna be here. All right, so let me move this to the side here and then wow, look at this. Awesome, awesome. We're going to be unboxing in a little bit as soon as we're done with the fizz ball, the big sisters, and the little sisters. Can't wait to see which dolls we're going to get. Okay, guys, so here is the water, and here we go. Okay, guys, so here we go. You open the zipper, and then we have to get the plastic out of the fizz ball. And here we go, one more zipper to open. Wow, I can't wait to find out what's the surprise. Here are two of the surprises, sticker and a tattoo. And here is the fizz ball. Let's place it in water. Are you ready to dive in? Okay, so let's open all the fizz balls that we have, place them all in the water, and also I'll show you guys the stickers that we get, and in the end I'm gonna show you guys all the surprises inside the fizz ball. So let's keep going. Okay, now last but not least, we have this one. And look, it has two colors. So cool. All right, let's place it in the water. And now let me show you guys what we got. Okay, so here are the surprises. We got a little perfume bottle. We got little charm. This is a little tanning spray. Very cute. So let's place the sticker on the charms. Here we go. And now let me show you guys all the charms with the stickers that we got. Here they are. Very cute, right? Leave us a comment. Let us know if you like the surprises that we got. And let us know if you already have them. Okay guys, so that was a lot of fun. And now it's time to unbox the Big Sisters and the Little Sisters. So who are we going to unbox first? Let's see. I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna unbox a Little Sister. Okay, so here we go. Let's open the zipper and open the surprise. And now look guys, there's also stickers here. It changes color, so this little sister is gonna change color. Now look at all the surprises. We're gonna open them all and I'm gonna show you. But because the video is so long, I'm gonna have to fast forward, make this video super fast. And I'm gonna show you guys many of the surprises that we got today. But also subscribe to our channel and stay tuned so you can see all the other surprises on other videos. Because we'll be doing a fashion show with the Little Sisters and the Big Sisters. It will be the LOL fashion show. How do you guys like this idea? Alright, so leave us a comment. Let us know if you like this idea. So look, we get lots of stuff with all the surprises. Let's see right here. I think that's where the little sister is. And look how cute. Adorable, right guys? Okay guys, so let's open another surprise. This one is a big sister and she's a rock star. There's another sticker here that says each doll might change color, spit, tinkle, or cry. This is the dress. Look how pretty, very glittery, sparkly. I love it. All right, so here is the doll. Stay tuned to our channel, subscribe to our channel to watch the fashion show. I'm gonna put all the clothes on the dolls. But here, I'm gonna show you the doll. Look how cute she is. I love her hair. Now let's open another little sister. Wow, lots of surprises. Very cool. And here she is, another little sister. Isn't she adorable? She's a twin. Twinsies. All right, so now we have another one. Last but not least, one more surprise to go. Who do you think is gonna be in here? We'll find out. Here is the zipper. Now there is another sticker there. She's another rock star. And here it is. We'll find out if she changes colors, spits, tinkles, or cry. And another zipper. Let's keep opening this LOL surprise. Awesome, right guys? And here she is. All right, let's open some of the accessories. Ooh, look at these beautiful sparkly boots. I love it. And now let's find out who's in here. Who is she? Wow, she looks just like the little twins, the little baby sisters. And look, she really is a rock star. Look at this beautiful outfit she's got. Adorable, right guys? Okay guys, so here are the dolls. And remember we got some stickers and some jokes, like this one is a rock star. Cool, right? And we got also some stickers and it says feed or bathe her, the doll, to reveal a surprise. Do they change color? Do they spit? Do they tinkle? Or do they cry? So let's go ahead and see what's the surprise. I brought this right here. I brought a little tub with water. And let's put this doll in here. Let's see what happens. And also let's add this one. I think this one is going to spit. Look at this. Or maybe, I don't know. We'll find out. Let's see. Let's see. This one spits. What about this one right here? What do you guys think? I don't know. Let's find out. Does she cry? Does she spit? Let's see. So here we are. Oh no, she cries. Why is she so sad? I don't like that. All right, so here they are. Look, remember this one I did not put in very cold water. This one was in just cool water. So I put it in a little bit of a warmer water, and you can see it's just the same way the doll looked. And now look at this one. This one I placed in cold water. Look at this ice cube right here. You see? And look how adorable. Wow, she really changes color. They look amazing. Now let's try one more thing. I'm gonna put the babies in here. One inside each side of the bag. And now let's try one more thing. I'm gonna try to place her leg on the water because I have a feeling that she's gonna change color too. So here we go. Please no spitting. Oh, she's still trying to spit. I'm gonna put her face in the cold water too. Put a little cold water on her face and let's see how she looks like. Wow, amazing. She looks great. I love it. So this one changes color and also spits. This one cries. This little baby here changes color. And this one also changes color. You guys want to see? So here we go. Here we are. Very nice, right guys? Okay, so I hope you guys liked our video. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment letting us know that you want to see more videos with the LOL surprise dolls. So I'll see you guys on our next adventure. Please subscribe and like our video. Also share our video. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for subscribing.